Hey guys, we received this Yaheetech small mini sofa couch armless Loveseat Futon for bedroom. So we received this for test and try. So you have this Corduroy fabric and the easy assembly with a small spaces, living room, dorm size, apartment and its green color. So it's nice these days the sage color. So as you can see this all these parts are inside, so this looks like a one box, but you have to remove this covering from, and then the other parts are inside. For the other parts also, from the back of this seat you can check this. So just don't throw, everything is inside, just you have to see and open this up. So this is a really nice, as you can see, like the fabric thing. So all the tools, screws and everything is here, and then you can easily do. It's a 17-inch total height with a 10-inch ground height with the legs. Total is 33.5 with the headrest or the headboard, and the 35.6 inches in the total length. So all this is the all things inside that comes with it, and then you can easily take it off. Now the manual is provided so that you can install this, but the process is pretty straightforward, where you can easily take out the stuff, put the legs, but be sure that while you are taking these polythenes or these legs from the pack, you see the numberings on the top. So here you can see like the two curved and two straight legs, and that's how you can actually do it. So screws and everything is provided, so I will just assemble this and then show it to you. All the tools and everything is also provided. As you can see, we can easily just tie the legs. Once this all done, you can just shut this off. It's a velcro sticker here. So it have a strong rubber wood legs, high density foam fill with corduroy fabric and a protective foot pads, as you can see. And now I'm just putting this half side for the headboard. So once, and then you have to just put on the top of it. So here are the connections, and then once it's all done, you can just close this off. Now this looks all clean and clear, easy assembly product, and you can easily use. So see, like this is the assembled product and looks really nice with a nice fabric, nice feel with the sage color, the green color, and the hard or comfortable seat. See, like the kids, it's good for the kids room, or also like for the basement door or anywhere else, you can easily sit a very comfortable couch.